Wow. That was a tank slapper. What up? I'm just going to Kohl's right now, but I'm taking a long way because I want to do a couple wheelies. My wheelies are shite right now. Tried them earlier today and they suck. I don't know why. My bike wants to pull to the right really hard. Don't know why. That time I managed to actually do a wheelie, but it's still, I'm having issues. What the hell was that? Baby carriage thing? It's okay, we're figuring it out though. We're getting back into it. Oh, something's in the road up here. A giant cardboard box.
Huh?
Wow. I didn't record any of that. Quite alright, baby. There's only nights I love you, baby. Check that. Oh, just brakes. I gotta fix that somehow. Whatever it be, tripping down my fairings or moving my brake position in. Shit, bae. Okay, fine. Don't say hi, what's up to me either.
Oh God, it's so good. Mmm, so good and tasty.
I don't think my bike should have beat yours.
I was full throttle.
Yeah. Something's definitely up with it. Any of you guys watching, if you know why his bike is not redlining but instead going like, if you know why that is, please let us know, because we have no idea. Alright, that's gonna wrap up the night. Wait, hold on, let me say it again with my visor down. Alright, that's gonna wrap up the night. I will see you guys later.
I think I'm in love.